Hey guys, this is Ashutosh Nirmal and today I'm going to unbox and review JBL C50HI Earphones. Before starting, if you are your first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll notified when new videos uploaded. Let's start. Here's the box. First check box details. At the front it has JBL branding with model number. Here you can see earphone. On the side it shows one button function with mic. At the back it's priced at $999 but you can get this at $549 and sometimes under 500, so always check the deals before you buy. Below that shows compatible products and box contents. Let's open this. Here's everything in a small plastic tray. First we have a thick booklet with security guidelines in different languages. Then we have a thick warranty booklet. Then we have two pairs of small and large ear tips. The medium one is already on the earphone. Here's the earphone. Just like other budget JBL earphone, this one is also totally made of plastic. Ear tips are angular to fit in ears comfortably. Here are left and right markings. It's a simple cable, nothing special here. Here's the mic. This whole part works as a single button to provide multifunctions. Remaining cable is also very simple. It's 1.2 meter long. Here's L-shaped 3.5 mm jack. Here joint quality is quite good. This earphone is in black color. Besides this, blue and white color also available. Angular ear tips fit in your ear perfectly and feels light and comfortable. You can use this for hours and won't have any problems. Mic in this earphone provide you clean, noiseless sound even in noisy environment. Now comes to sound quality. As this earphone comes with 8.6 mm drivers, sound is very good with clear vocals. Bass in this earphone is just balanced. It's not too high, not too low. These are the plus points of this earphone. Now I'll tell you what I don't like in this earphone. First, its wire quality. It's a thin rubbery wire which can tangle easily. Second, no volume buttons. Recently I showed you Realme Buds which has far better wire quality. So should you buy this? If you want a lightweight cheap earphone with good balanced sound, you can go for this one. Or if you want a better build quality and more bass, you can go for Realme Buds. If you want to buy this, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description. If you buy from the link, that will definitely help me to make more videos like this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.